Why does FILNA with median on dataframe still leaves NA/NaN in pandas? I've seen this in this thread here, but something else is wrong. I have a very large pandas dataframe with many NA/NaN values. I want to replace them with a median value for that feature. So, I first make a table that displays the NA values per feature, sorted by most NA values, then use FILNA, and then display the table again. Ideally, the second time, that table should have all zeros, because all the NAs have been filled. However, I get these two tables. Null count tables, before and after. And if I take a look at the data frame, you can see NaNs in it. NaN examples. It seems like a common problem with FILNA is that it returns a copy, unless you use inplace equals true, like in the linked threads above, but I'm not doing that. I'm overwriting tt_df, unless I'm misunderstanding something. You can see that the lot frontage feature actually does disappear from the second table, implying that the FILNA did work for it. So why isn't it working for the others? What I suspect is the culprit, though I don't know why, is that NA doesn't actually mean NA for these features. If I look at the data description file, it says garage finish, interior finish of the garage. Okay, that's fine. But it feels like those NA values should either count as NA for both IceNull and FILNA, or not count for either. Why does it appear to be counted by IceNull but not FILNA?
The problem is with this line. Your data frame has strings and you are attempting to calculate medians on strings. This doesn't work. Here's a minimal example. What you should do is FILNA with median only for numeric columns.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.